Are you new to New York or you're coming to New York and you're like, what are the best apps for me? Well, here today, we're going to go over the 10 best apps for people who live or are visiting New York City. They are must-haves, so definitely download them all. And at the end, I have a very special and important do not download app. So stay tuned for that for sure. All right. First and foremost is going to be Citymapper. Citymapper is an awesome app that will show you how to get from point A to point B, whether it's with the bus, driving, or taking a subway. The best part is if you're taking the subway, it also tells you where to stand on the subway so that you're close to the exit that you need. And it will also have times on there. So it'll tell you, if you need to take the one, it'll be like, there's a 1 in 6 minutes, there's a 1 in 4 minutes. You can also plan out your trips. You can have when you want to get there by. So definitely check out Citymapper. It is a must. Because we are the city of convenience, you have to get either Fresh Direct or the Whole Foods delivery app, and that's going to be on Amazon. But yeah, you just need to order your food on there. Produce, I would suggest going to a farmer's market. Maybe don't order it on the app, but it's a great thing to do. You can be at work on your lunch break, get your grocery shopping done, and have that delivery waiting at your home by the time you get there. So Fresh Direct or Whole Foods. We also have MiniBar, right? Or Drizzly. It's the same idea. It's another thing. I have to tell you, I'm so spoiled whenever I go to see my friends. I order a bottle to be delivered over to their place before I show up. So MiniBar is a great way to order alcoholic beverages on there. There is a minimum, but it's a great app to use. Speaking of the delivery, Seamless or GrubHub. I think they're the same company now, but either one is a must so that you can order your food. And then, of course, Uber or Lyft. Those are a great option for cars. There's also Curb. Curb is also great, and Arrow, because both of those help you to order cabs. So if you'd rather go the cab route, Curb and Arrow. If you want to get a nice black car or something, you can go the Uber or Lyft route. If you are in New York City and you're visiting, or even you live here, you should really go see a show. So something great for seeing shows is going to be Today Takes and TKTS. So TKTS, as you probably know, is a stand in Times Square. There's also one in Lincoln Center, and there's also one all the way down in Financial District in the Seaport area. So TKTS is great because you can go and get discounted tickets, and the app will show you what they're selling and what % discount they have. So that's a great app to have, along with Today Takes, which just has discounts for your Broadway shows. Then OpenTable. OpenTable is a must-have because we need reservations here in New York City. So OpenTable can help you pick out a restaurant and then set those reservations for you. If you have a car, never fear, ParkMe. ParkMe is going to help you to figure out what garages have availability for you. And I think it also gives you some tips on street parking as well if you're in there. So ParkMe is good for those of you that have your cars. Zeal. Why Zeal? Because who doesn't want to be able to order a massage at home, right, guys? I mean, we can have everything delivered, so why not have a masseuse be delivered to your place? They have massage therapists on there, and it is quite a nice little treat for you if you are home and you just need a massage. Just have them come right by. And then last but not least is Buy Next. And I have to tell you, in New York City, one thing that people take for granted is having a washer dryer in your unit, right? Or just where the closest dry cleaner is. So we live in a world of conveniences here. So get Buy Next, because Buy Next you can schedule to have somebody come pick up your laundry, pick up your dry cleaning. They'll take it and then they'll deliver it back within 24 to 48 hours. So it's really, really nice to have that option, especially if you are a busy New Yorker like so many of us. Now, the app not to have, Citizen. Citizen is the worst app that was ever created. It will basically not stop going off. It's all of the crime that's going on in New York. I think it's terrible because you don't need to see what's going on everywhere in New York with the crime. I mean, every time that there's like something called into the police, it's reported on Citizen. So, I guess it could be good if you are just trying to see what's happened in a neighborhood recently. But just be forewarning you, because Citizen can be a lot. It can be really depressing. So that's my do not download app recommendation. But the other 10 are ones you should definitely have if you are living here or if you're visiting here. And if you liked this, please share, subscribe, send it to a friend that you know who's moving here. Let them know all of the fantastic apps that they have to get, and check out one of our other videos. And we are always here for all of your real estate needs. Bye.